Liver health is of utmost importance for overall well-being because the liver is one of the most vital organs in the human body, performing a wide range of critical functions. It plays a central role in digestion, metabolism, detoxification, and nutrient storage, among other essential processes. Our liver is an incredible organ that works tirelessly to detoxify our bodies, and it deserves some extra love and care. These 6 miracle foods are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that promote liver health and natural detoxification. 1. Leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins and heavy metals from the liver. Incorporate these greens into your salads, or smoothies, or simply sauté them as a delicious side dish. 2. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and liver protective properties. Add a pinch of turmeric to your curries, soups, or even smoothies for a nourishing liver cleanse. Create a turmeric elixir by mixing turmeric with warm water and a dash of black pepper for enhanced absorption. 3. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C, lemons stimulate the production of liver enzymes, promoting the detoxification process. Start your day with warm lemon water or use lemon juice as a zesty salad dressing. 4. Garlic. This superfood contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, supporting the detoxification process. Add crushed garlic to your meals or even enjoy it roasted for a flavorful liver boost. 5. Beets. Beets are a liver-loving vegetable that contains betaine, a compound that supports liver health and detoxification. Add beets to your salads or enjoy them roasted for a delicious liver cleansing treat. 6. Avocado. Avocado contains healthy fats that help your body produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function. Include avocados in your meals or enjoy a creamy avocado smoothie for a delicious liver cleanse. There you have it, health enthusiasts. The 6 miracle foods that effortlessly detoxify and cleanse your liver. These foods not only support your liver but also contribute to your overall well-being. So, nourish your body with these miracle foods and experience the wonders of a revitalized liver. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Stay tuned for more empowering health tips on my channel. See you in the next video.